Hello, Just Jax here and welcome to my channel. As you can see, I've been shopping. Found this in Home Bargains, $2.99. I was and ahhing because it's not my usual sort of purchase, but it is a creative toy. So even though it's a bit super girly, I was really curious by it. I and ahed for quite a while and obviously came to the conclusion of giving it a try. So I thought for $2.99, build a bot. Does it do what it says it does? Clap your hands to make me jump. Colouring and customise your very own build a bot. It's a Steam toy, sorry. Build me with 20 plus pieces. Learning and sound, build a bot. Colour and create takes robotics to the next level by building and customising your very own pet. So let's see how we go about doing this. We should have 20 plus build bot pieces, build certificate, learning guide, 4 markers, sticky dots, 2 plastic wings, 2 colouring sticker sheets, 1 rainbow eyes sticker sheet, and rhinestones. So let's see if we have everything and if it works. Missed another piece. Right, well, we have rhinestones, we have sticky dots, we have 2 wings and 4 colours. We have instructions. Oh, we have stickers, certificate. Oh, so we got lashes and no lashes and like a little tash and a load of other random stickers. We got stickers to colour in, more eyes, more other bits and bobs. We'll look at all that in a moment. Right, first of all, do we have... It looks like we have everything. There's no compartments missing on a glance. Click and create. Most of the parts are numbered to help you build your pet. Look for these marks. Yes. Right, well, okay, there's options as well. It says or. Curly tail. I mean, that looks like that's a horn. Oh, right, so Pegasus or Corgi pup, and because we've got Pegasus, we've got the Pegasus options. Cool. Right, we know. So, we need feet. You know what? I think I should just pop them all out. Feet first. Number 1 and number 3. Well, that looks like they're meant to be these bits. So, that says 1, 4, right. So these are meant to go on here, like that. I don't want to force it. Go on like that. Does this one go better? Yes, okay. Well, that one and that one, but they probably go. Well, we'll see, won't we? There's going to be a lot of trial and error, I think. So, motor and number 7, which looks like one of these. Does it have a number on it? 8. So 7. This is the motor. That should go there and there. So that's attached to that. And then 8 goes on there, which is, okay, one of these, which is 9. 9. And this goes there and, oh, goes there and there. And 6, we need 10. 10. You go there. And then there's only 1 foot that can go here. So we're going to flip it over this side. and stick the tail in there. And now do exactly the same on the other side. Okay, so I put the head together, half of the head together. So 15 horn. Horn, mouth. Make sure I'm not skipping no beats anywhere. The ears gone at the end, okay. So that goes there. This goes there. Okay, ears. Oh, I think I put one the right way, because there's meant to be movement. We're looking like we're right. Decoration. And the wings go anywhere on the body, it seems. There doesn't seem to be a mark for them. I'm going to get a cup of tea. We'll get decorating. Let's have a look. Oops. Oh, there goes a dot. Dot for wing. Rhinestones. Another dot for a wing. Wings. Paints. Let's see how these pens are first. I can tell already I'm going to have to leave these to dry, because if I touch that, that's going to happen. They're not bad pens, they just feel like felt pens, that's all. Well, we'll give every pen a test, see that they all work at least. Well, to be fair to them, all the colours work. Some a little bolder than others. So we will flash forward to a lot of colouring being done. Okay, enough colouring later, and add in some of my own colours there. Let's look at getting these stickers on. Now, I am going to go for the big lashed eyes. I mean, the lashed ones are going to be hard to put on. Let's have a look. There's a shape to follow. That's well handy. Can I get the other one to go in? Let's see, because those of you who have watched me for long enough know that placing stickers is not something I do very well. Okay, well, you know what? They kind of made that foolproof for me, which is well handy. I kind of want to put a tash on there. Can I get the tash on there? I can. I'll take that. That's pretty darn close. I mean, there's no reason why you couldn't have eyes in the back of your head, right? This is art. We've got, we're going to do it how we want it. It's a shame all those feathers curve the same way. Will they fit in there? Let's find out. I don't know if that will fit in there. Keep doing that until my nail cuts it away. Let's try and get the other one on. Which one did I go for? One of those. Can we get it in the same place? You know what? We're not looking too bad. Oh yeah, I can't forget we got rhinestones to get involved in the party. I mean, I kind of want to stick eyes on the back of the head here. I don't know if they'll go on very well. So you can freak people out. Eyes in the back of the head. I reckon we can. I mean, I should try and get the mouth in under there, but it's going to be right by the battery, so... Oh, we've got some rainbow brows. Kind of looks like an owl. Kinda. Oh yeah, we want to stick some of these on somewhere, won't we? Where should we go with these? I'm always going to choose to get blue involved somehow. Right in the middle there. Oh yeah. I think we're there. Let's get the wings attached. I mean, do we have this? Is it meant to be on the underside? It's meant to be on the underside. Oh, this is going to be the biggest test. Close enough. Right, so they're meant to go on there and there. There isn't a flat spot. This so they are meant to go on. Oh, up like that. I mean, they look like they'd be more natural being at that sort of angle. I'm going with that. Being somewhere like this. That and that. Oh, yes. Okay, managed to get the bottom off. I've got 2 AA batteries. Let's see if this actually works. Oh, sounds like it does. Okay. Alright, chill out. Chill out. At least you can turn it on and off. Some toys get stuck on the on position. Right, I think we're in there. Okay. She's in, she's on. What does it say? Chest power switch. I have turned you on, haven't I? Yes, because you made. Okay, she works. Fair enough. I don't know what moving the tail up and down does something. I don't know what. It doesn't seem to stay up. Did I annoy you? Is that it? Perhaps it doesn't keep going. I mean, it doesn't explain what the tail thing is. 1 times 10. Did I break you? Did I break you? Oh. Your batteries might just not be. I don't know. Did your batteries pop out? You going nay? Batteries are in. Oh. Okay, I'll turn you off while I do you back up. As tight as I can. Right, let's see. I just didn't clap loud enough. Right, so that's how it goes if I click it again. Okay, so you just do one, unless I click you, and then you do lots. We'll check. I don't know, but it works at least. Click you again. Just one? Is that just like a warm-up one? Last clap. Okay. Well, I don't know what the difference is between the click and not the click. Overall thoughts while we're doing the build certificates. Yeah, it works. $2.99. It works. I don't really have, to be fair to it, $2.99. It actually works. And the price of 2 batteries. So built by Jax. Pet name. We'll think about that. What's the date today? I have to think about that as well. Place of build. Home. Pet's favourite hobbies. Eating. And saying nay. And that's how she's saying it. Nay. Nay, hey, hey, hey. What could your name be? I tell you what, anyone who's watching this and makes it all the way to the end, you can name them. So I'll save that. So yeah, try not to repeat myself because I got distracted. $2.99, yes, the price plus the price of 2 batteries. It worked. Everything was there. The pens work. Everything's stuck on. The stickers have stuck on pretty well. It's a nice little learning toy. There's a bit of learning to it. It explains on here somewhere how it works. Up the back here. Fun fact. I won't be reading that out. If you're curious, go find one. Yeah. Let's lay you on your side. Right, we know you like saying, hey, 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 hey. Yeah, I think it'd be cool to find... they only had the Pegasus. Otherwise, I'd have got the dog. It's fun. It worked. It'll keep your child entertained. And it has an on-off switch, which is really, really, really important with these sort of toys. A lot of them don't have an on-off switch. Speaking of the on-off switch, let's just do that now. You can get another one out before we close the video down, okay? So yeah, once again, anyone out there who actually makes it to the end of the video, give us a name. Well, thank you so much for stopping by and checking me and my channel out. I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope it's given you an idea of what to expect should you find a Build-A-Bot toy in the shops yourself. Home Bargains, $2.99. Not sponsored by them at all. I just do a lot of shopping there. Like if you like what you see, comment if you've got something to say, and subscribe if you really like what you see and you want to see more. Thank you all again so much. Take care, and see you in the next one. Last time.